Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy Palak sandwich recipe ideal as a filling meal for breakfast or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Palak sandwich, I'm using a handful of fresh Palak leaves. I have washed and rinsed the Palak leaves and I'm going to finely chop the leaves. The ingredients I'm using are 2 cups of chopped palak leaves, half of an onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half inch ginger finely chopped, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content, half teaspoon amchur powder also known as dry mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric into your body, so try not to skip it. Half teaspoon jeera also known as cumin seeds. To make it more nutrient dense for added fiber and protein, half cup of green moong sprouts. I have already shared how to sprout green moong dal. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and cooled. Now boiled and cooled potatoes are a good source of resistant starch. Resistant starch helps to maintain good gut health. Always try to use boiled and cooled potatoes so that you can get the maximum benefit of using potatoes in your diet. I have already shared how resistant starch helps in maintaining good gut health. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. I'm using my homemade sourdough bread. I have been making sourdough bread to use them in my recipes so that I can create an awareness among you about sourdough. Sourdough bread is naturally fermented. The fermentation process breaks down gluten in the wheat. Also, sourdough bread has a low glycemic index. Try to include sourdough bread in your diet for your better health. So this is 2 slices of sourdough bread. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood-pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood-pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood-pressed oil of your choice. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood-pressed oils in your diet for your better health. Once the oil is heated, add in jeera. Once the jeera splutters, add in the finely chopped onion, finely chopped ginger, finely chopped green chilli. Give this all a good mix and allow the onion to saute until it starts to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent or light pink in color, add in the chopped palak leaves. This is an excellent sandwich filling for children. You can pack this as a school lunchbox or as an after school meal. My kids used to love this as an after school meal. This filling also will stay good in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. Half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Give it all a good mix. Cover it with the lid and allow the palak leaves to get cooked and wilted. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Add in the masalas, the sprouted green moong dal. Give it all a good mix. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. 3 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a stir. Crumble in the boiled potatoes and give it all a good mix. A word about amchur powder. In case you don't have amchur powder at hand, you can use lemon juice instead. Lightly mash the potatoes. Saute the potatoes for about a minute or 2. 2 minutes later, everything is nicely mixed and my potato sprouts palak filling for sandwich is ready. Allow it to cool down completely. Leftovers can always be stored in the refrigerator and will stay good for 3 to 4 days. This way it's an ideal way to meal prep. Place a generous amount of the filling on the bread slice. Make sure the filling is spread onto the sides. Cover it with the other slice. Lightly press it down. Now to toast the sandwich, I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm drizzling in a little bit of wood-pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood-pressed groundnut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Place the sandwich on the tawa and I always like to place something heavy on the bread slice. This will actually help to seal the filling and also help to toast the sandwich evenly. A couple of minutes later, remove the skillet from the top. Drizzle in a little bit of wood-pressed groundnut oil on top. This will help to make the sourdough bread slice crispy and crunchy. Carefully flip it over. Place the bread slice on top and let that side also crisp up. Couple of minutes later, remove the skillet on top and remove the sandwich from the tawa. See how crispy this sandwich is. I like to slice the sandwich just before serving. And my super healthy palak sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy palak sandwich and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.